So after this lectures, you will have one tutorial which you have to complete in a group. So each group have to formulate one research question about relationship between variables, okay, between two variables. So you have to use only the scale data as a variable for your research questions, and also make sure you formulate your questions, which the experiment unit is the students, and also the measurement that you take is obtained from the student. So for example, you want to know is there any positive relationship between the body height and body weight of student. So that means that your hypothesis is whether the taller student are always weight more. So after you formulate the research questions, you have to collect and organize data, and for each of the questions, you have to collect the data from 15 to 20 students. Then after that, you have to organize your data properly and then summarize and present the data with a proper chart. So you have to submit your tutorial to Smart UMS, and also after that, submit your data via this Google form. So the tutorial number 2 is for you to formulate research questions to investigate about the relationship. And in tutorial 3, you have to formulate one research questions. It's about the differences of a variable between two groups, as explained in the lectures above. Okay. As the tutorial number 2, for this one, you only use scale data as a variable for research questions, and you should formulate your questions which involve your classmate, the student, as an experiment unit. For example, you might ask, is there any difference between male and female student body height? So in this case, I have two groups, male and female student. So I want to compare between male and female. I want to know if there are any differences in terms of the body height. So the body height is a scale data. And after that, you should collect the data for your research question. So you have to collect between 15 to 20 students for each of the groups. And then organize your data in a table. Make sure you organize it correctly according to the experiment unit and variables. After that, you have to summarize your data and then present the data with a suitable charts. Similarly, you're going to submit your tutorial to Smart UMS. So make sure you submit in the correct assignment link. And then you also need to submit your data by clicking on this link to the Google form.